Welcome to the Yummy Vegan Instant Pot video. Here I'm going to show you how to make vegetable soup out of pretty much any vegetables that you have on hand. I had a lot of vegetables, so I just used 2 potatoes and I like them in chunks. You can slice them however you want. Next, I had some carrots.
No! Bruh. Whoa. Easy on the cutting.
I really didn't need those carrots because I'm about to put a bag of mixed vegetables in there, but I just had them in my fridge and wanted to use them. You can leave them whole if you want. And I don't really like celery, but I did add 1 celery stick to the pot. I don't think that was exactly a 1/4 onion, but it doesn't need much because as you can see the pot's already getting pretty full. I use dried beans because in the Instant Pot you don't have to soak your beans, you can just cook them as is. Next I am washing cilantro and chopping. I am obsessed with cilantro. I put it pretty much on everything. You need about 10 cups of filtered water and better than bouillon. Put it in to taste because I might have used more than 2 tablespoons. When you open it up at the end, you can always add ingredients. I love the palmy tomatoes because I think the other canned tomatoes have an acidic lining in them that causes cancer. Let me know what you think in the comments on that if you've ever heard that before. Now with the spinach, it's gonna cook down a lot, so make sure you use double what I show in the video. That is my favorite spoon. I pretty much use it for everything. I love it. And we're just gonna use 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can add more if you want, just taste it when you open it up at the end. I just added the Trader Joe's onion salt. I'm obsessed with the Trader Joe's onion salt. You don't wanna use Morton's regular salt. You wanna use either sea salt or pink salt because the other salts are actually really bad for you. My dad calls it poison. So if you have that in your cabinet, you can just throw that in the trash. Next, you want to stir all the ingredients together. Now I am just setting it in here and putting it on for 45 minutes. When you start your Instant Pot, if you're new to Instant Pots, they don't immediately start counting down. It takes a little bit to warm up.
6.5 hours later.
You let the vent steam and you open it up and the soup is done, and that's all you have to do. And this is where you're going to taste it and see if you need to add any spices. You don't really need to cook it anymore. Now we are making some bread with some garlic salt, olive oil, and a little bit of oregano. When John and I first attempted this, we actually burned all the bread and had to redo it.
Damn!
And now you can top with your favorite toppings. I like the So Delicious brand vegan cheese and the Herdez Guacamole salsa.
And that's how you make easy soup in an Instant Pot.